Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you a strategy to find developers that rug pull and to take your money out before they rug pull. So we're going to get into this strategy right now today. It's not like a clear cut proper strategy that'll generate your money every single time, but this is a really good way to find people that are pumping meme coins and also taking your money back from rug pullers. Now this is something that I really enjoy because I'm sick of rug pullers. I hate these people who do all these videos and go, this is how easy it is to rug pull and make millions, because it genuinely is quite easy. So what we're looking at right here is basically the developer who created this coin 3 hours ago called Mr. Whiskers. Now with this strategy, you want to be finding it with something that's trending, and you want to make sure that the developer is basically paying to advertise this meme coin. Now you can check all of this with Axiom Pro, which is brilliant, and we're going to get into how you can find this right now. But let's first look at how this guy rug pulled. So he made the coin literally at 5:49 p.m. He bought here at 5:48, or it was 5:48 p.m. So he bought here probably like 4 minutes later. As soon as it goes up to around 700k market cap, he then completely sells, and he sold off a ton. This wallet address that I've just found has migrated 57 different tokens, which is absolutely insane. So I tracked the wallet, and I'll show you how to find developers like this in a minute. But basically this strategy would be to find when this person is buying into the meme coins and just selling it like 2 minutes later. So what we're going to look at is the type of coins that he's created and the ones that he's rug pulled on. And when we do that, we'll figure out how much time is he waiting before he sells. And this is basically a tactic to take your money back. You're trying to snipe into these meme coins as early as the developers and to try and take your money back out before this person can rug pull on you, which is great because you're actually taking the money off the rug pullers. So this is a strategy that I think if I could put out there a lot, it could probably potentially decrease the amount of rug pulls, because we could have loads of snipers that are just getting in and selling and dumping on this person before they even decide to rug pull. So in order to do that though, we need to figure out, all right, well, how many coins has this person been rug pulling? So this was one that he did literally just an hour before this as well. Utility. He ended up developing it, bought in for 42 sol. Now this is some type of person who just does this on repeat, literally just makes money from rug pulling meme coins. And then I believe he's bought 30 sol of it there, and then he sold off even more. So he sold off 60, then sold off 50, then sold off 26, and then another 21. So you can tell how much money this person's actually making with this amount of sol. So all we got to do is then click on this again, click on the different token, and then we'll just go and analyze it and figure out what he's done with this token. So again, let's look at how many minutes it took. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 minutes it took him. So if we could sell it in 2 minutes after he's got in, then we could be in for some taking money off some rug pullers. This is what I want to do. I'm going to do a challenge where I do this strategy just for a day. I'll make a video on this in a later point, but I thought it's quite cool to just go through this strategy because I've seen a lot of other people doing this, where a lot of people are just literally making money from dumping on rug pullers. So in order to do that, if you come onto a token just like this one and you see a little crown right next to the supply where it says dev migrations, just click on that. Usually we want to be finding ones with a couple, but these ones right here where you've got tons, I already know this guy's a serial rug puller. Do you know what I mean? So I'm like, right, well, we need to bring back some justice on this guy if we can. So what we do is, once you're on SolScan, go over to the tags section here and click token creator. Then you can see all the tokens that he's created. This utility one, this dino one, this CTP one, cat gator, and this can also help you just identify rug pulls as well and try and get away from them. You can look at this strategy and go, right, okay, well, he's migrated 57 tokens, well, I'll stay away from that one. So he's literally got $227,000. The majority of that most likely is from rug pulling. So the strategy would be to have a wallet track. You can also buying automatically and sell automatically as well using things like Bloom. So you could have a copy trading setting, which you could probably do through Axiom as well, but I've never used Axiom's copy trading. But I'll show you how to set up the copy trading for Bloom in a minute. So you could basically set it up just to 2x your money and then sell 100%, because you know with this strategy that this person is going to be putting in 40 sol, 85 sol. So it's going to completely pump the price of the meme coin. Obviously, he's going to dump it at one point, but this person's looking to 2x his money every single time. This is what it looks like anyway. So if you look down here, he bought in a 70k market cap and then sold around 200k market cap. So if we can set it up with a copy trading setting, again, this is a risky strategy. The guy could potentially rug pull on you beforehand. So again, this is not like you're going to make money all the time doing this, but this is a strategy to actually just take money back from these rug pullers. So we'll go through the copy trading settings in a minute, but once you find the developer wallet like this, so all I've done is just copied his wallet on Axiom, then go down to the wallet tracker, and then you just want to go to the wallet manager and then click import and then paste the wallet address into here. With Axiom, this is what I'm trying to do, is just have a complete list of big rug pullers, and we're going to try and take all the money away from them. That is the plan. So I'm going to show you how to find more tokens just like this one, and then we'll get into the copy trading settings and the best settings to do for this exact strategy to make sure that you don't lose your money. So I just took off the filters just to filter down this migrated section, but I'm just showing you the tactic that I'd be using to find these wallets and then to copy trade them and track them. So we found that one before, loved 50 mil, this one, there we go. Right, so he's got 123 sol in his balance. We click token creator, and then he's another one. So this guy has been doing the exact same thing, just rug pulling as many people as he possibly can. But the fact that he can migrate the tokens is great, because obviously we know he's rug pulling. I've said it so many times, and don't think this is like financial advice and you think you're going to make millions from this. This isn't the best way to do it. Obviously, I've got different videos on memecoin trading and how I do my personal strategies to do it, but I thought this would be a cool video and an experiment really, because I know people have been doing this, and I'd like to set this all up just to analyze and see how I can do this. So here's an example. He put 30 sol into a token here. Now this might be a bad example. This is why you've got to keep an eye on these wallets, and why I'm saying it's not financial advice and not anything at all, because every developer wallet could be different. But see, he's doing a lot of these tokens, and some of them aren't migrating. If you can see the market cap down here, 6.38k. A lot of them he's just going, all right, he's creating a token, it's not working, and he just sells his exact amount. So keep in mind, this is one thing that you can do as well. If you're seeing that this developer is creating loads of wallets, all you got to do if you're doing this manually is just see if the token's moving. If the token isn't moving, keep an eye on this dev wallet as well. But if he sells off that 5 sol, then you're only at a 6k market cap anyway. It's not going to go down too much further. So if you get in at the time that these people get in at like 6k market cap, let's say the token doesn't pump, then you can just sell. You might have some losses from fees, etc. But if it does pump, then you're one of the earliest in, and all you got to do is 2x. It's what I'm recommending for the strategy. 2x, 3x. Just try and get your money out as quickly as possible. You can obviously try and wait till it migrates. This is what we want to be looking for mostly with these strategies, but you want to make sure as much as possible that you don't lose money with this strategy, because you can, because these people who are creating these tokens aren't looking to help you get money. They're looking to take your money. Now I'm just going to set up the copy trading settings. So I've just put it as the name as. Now I'm going to set up the copy trading settings, and to do so I do it with Bloom. So once you've signed up with Bloom on Telegram, click copy trade, then click add new config, and then all you got to do is input the wallet address you got from Axiom onto here, and there we go. So we're ready to actually do this now. So what we want to do is we want to only buy a fixed amount, and then you buy in for the fixed amount that you think is best. So whatever money you can afford to lose, which is what I'm going to say properly. Don't be putting in money into meme coins that you can't afford to lose. It's not a guarantee. So especially with this strategy anyway. So like if you can afford to put a little pump of 0. whatever, then do that. Just make sure that you're not stressing yourself out. Just copy these settings exactly. You can also change them to different ones if you like, but buy only once, buy fixed, then your buy amount. If you're doing a bit of a higher buy amount than this, which I don't recommend, but if you are, then do a bit of a higher fee, like 0.01. I've put it as 0.001. Then buy slippage, 20%. Sell slippage, I'd put it to 20 as well, just because I know that these people are going to be rugging just in case it gets lots of volume. And then you can also put a tip in everything, but I don't see the point, and I don't do it. I've never put a tip in really for copy trading or the AFK mode or anything else like that on Bloom. So once you've done that, click limit orders, then create limit order. And what we want to be doing is we want to be selling 100% at a profit and loss of 100%. Now you can also set it as well, if you would like to, where when the developer sells with Bloom, which is one of the best features I like about Bloom's copy trading, is that you can sell when the developer sells. So this is why this strategy fits in well with the Bloom copy trading, is because the minute they sell, you can sell as well, so you can get a bit more out of your money in the first sort of bit. So you're copying the dev and then also copying the dev sales. I'd increase the slippage as well to this, probably to 20% or 25% if it's a high volatile token, but you won't need anything more than this. And then we make sure that it's the target address is theirs. Yep. And we're all good. So you can add a tip as well, but I don't see the point for a low solid amount. And yeah, once you've done that, you've created the limit order there, and it's active. And then you go back, and then you just click active on the copy trade settings, and then you're all good. You'll now be copy trading every single one of this person's token creations. So thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and make sure to subscribe to us for more trading content.